Right YouTube, welcome to another video. Welcome to the Mitsubishi Cole. You probably know where I'm off to and what I'm off to collect. It's been causing me many sleepless nights just in anticipation. It's been like waiting for Christmas, but Christmas on steroids. So yeah, we've got a couple hours to drive. I'll catch up with you when we get there. I think you know what's coming.
Why is it the minute I start filming, the hedges happen?
Right, so I've arrived at Uncle Keith's. You can see Dino Days over there. Yeah, it's about 2 hours later. The drive was alright. It's pretty much through the Cotswolds, quite a nice drive. So yeah, they're just going to run a car on the dyno and then I'm going to get to see mine. Not quite sure how I'm going to react. I'm probably going to be either silent, swearing, crying or wetting myself or any combination of those, so bear with me. So yeah, you shall see it pretty soon, for the first time with me actually, so that's pretty cool.
Everyone ready?
Yeah. Oh, I can hear it.
It's time to reveal.
Turn around.
So right at this moment in time, two very strange things happened. Firstly, someone was off screen chopping onions, which made my eyes water. And secondly, the camera malfunctioned. So we pick it up a few moments later. Oh, I lost for words. Oh my god. That's brilliant, Keith. That's stunning, isn't it?
Yeah, it really does look good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
Say good decision.
It just looks like a respray, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's such a good finish. Right, the tears have stopped.
You do.
Mrs. ModFix still crying.
Yeah, it's all good.
That's what happens when decat. Well, at least I didn't go into potty mouth mode anyway.
Yeah, looks lovely.
Happy ModFix.
Very, very happy. I can't believe that. I can't believe how good it looks. I knew it was going to be good, but it's just another level.
Yeah.
Got a little present for you.
Aww.
Like a signed picture of me. Thank you very much, alright? No worries at all.
No.
Right, I'm just trying to do it. Fuck's sake. Right, so I've just pulled over to do the outro, but bloody cars keep coming past, cheek of it. So I cannot describe how pleased I am how this car's turned up. I couldn't even dream of it being this good. It's just unbelievable. I just find myself just staring at it. So huge thanks to everyone at Dino Days and Uncle Keith's paint shop. Especially Uncle Keith, who is a magician. He's absolutely amazing at his job and I cannot thank him enough for this. If you're thinking of doing anything similar yourself, make sure you check them out, drop them a message. They'll be able to do pretty much anything you want, so I can't recommend them enough, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's just It's just absolutely amazing. I can't get over it. So thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe. Chuck a comment down below and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.